How to add songs from your local files to Spotify. So if you have your own music saved on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how to go and add this to Spotify. Now, first thing you need to do is just force close out of the Spotify app. Now come over to your home screen and open up the Files app. You then need to locate the music or the songs that you want to add to Spotify. Now click on the three horizontal dots in the top right hand side and press select. Now select the songs you want to add to Spotify, click on the move folder icon in the bottom of the page, click on the search box, and then search for Spotify and click on this folder. Now press move in the top right hand side, and once you've done this you can go and reopen the Spotify app. Click on your profile icon in the top left and press settings and privacy. Now click on apps and devices and then scroll down to local audio files and turn this on. Now select allow and then press your library at the bottom of this page. You can now click on local files and you should now be able to find the songs that you added to the Spotify folder. If it's not working, come back over to your library, scroll down to the bottom of the page and press import your music. Select get started. You can then scroll down and click on upload file. You can then go and upload your songs directly from this window, and that's another way to add your own songs to Spotify.